Hi there. Welcome to today's Assistive Technology update from Missouri Assistive Technology. Today I'm going to show you a couple of DIY iPad holders. Alright, so the first one I want to show you is a design from Therese Wilcom. She sent me these. And it starts with a piece of this corrugated plastic board like yard sign material. So to start, this piece is 4 inches by 12 inches, and it will basically be all you need for your model. Alright, and this is what you end up with. So you cut the two pieces in half, so you have two 6-inch pieces. The bottom one stays whole, just put some grippy pieces on the bottom. You add some double-sided foam tape in between the two. The scores on this matter. So 2 of the scores will be what's on the top, 1 inch in, 3 inches in. 1 of the scores will be on the bottom, 5 inches in or 1 inch from the other side. And that will make this flex just the way you want it to. And there's Velcro on the first score and more Velcro on the bottom, so that just curves in. You attach those two, and there's more of the corrugated plastic board adhered to the end, so that what you end up with is a nice little holder. Yeah, works really well for a phone or an iPad, especially in landscape mode. It's a little short for this, setting it that way. All right, so that one's pretty simple. There is, the cost of Velcro, the adhesive, the different adhesives. The next one is made out of cardboard. I actually put this together quickly for an iPad Pro, and so this, my sides here measure about 7 inches with about 1.5 inches, little leg on the bottom here, and then I've just cut a piece of cardboard for the base. I chose some angles that I wanted. I think they were 65 and 75 or something like that. And then I just glued another piece of cardboard on the front. What this one gives me is a nice high back. And of course, this is just an iPad, so an iPad Pro is taller, so it can go in either, it can go either way and still fit on here really nicely. Again, for this I used spray adhesive, and that worked really well on the cardboard. Now the third one I did, I've been really interested in the makers folks making things out of cardboard like this, and it's just cut and glued together again with spray adhesive. I chose a design, I just made this up myself, that seemed pretty doable. So I have a little ridge here. I cut a little divot to get to the home button here. I just used cardboard for a template and cut it out in my living room. I think if I did this again, I would use something. I would cut out either a wooden or even the corrugated plastic for a template, because the cardboard pushes around. It got me a pretty uneven edge on here. I made sure when I glued it all together, I made sure this edge was nice and flat. Tried to keep this as flat as possible, but it made this side pretty wonky. But I can just trim this off. It is a little bit wobbly, but not much. And I think I could actually stand on this. I think it's super strong. Like I said, I feel like I could. Well, those are 3 different iPad holders, and then of course there is the PVC iPad holder that I have another video about. So if you have any questions about those, I can put up a link to the corrugated plastic one. The cardboard ones, I think there's a little trial and error. All right.